Hey guys, right, welcome to another episode. That's my normal mould, right? I bought some new ones. That's what they look like. So I've got 8 of these. So it's the same width, but 3/4 of the depth. So I've got 8 of those. Here's the first 4. So we might try these ones later on. So I think I'll make these into nice. Look at that. I always thought these were small, but that's a 1 kilo mould for copper. And I sort of got stooged by the seller thinking these are 1 kilo, but they've sent me, look at it, I reckon it's 3/4 of a kilo, probably half a kilo. But anyway, it doesn't matter. I've got 8 of them now, so it doesn't matter. I've still got new moulds, and they're pretty cute. Nice size bar, nice size handled bar. Whereas you look over here, here's my bars here. Shit. That's the bar that goes in it. And then let's see if we can fit that in there. So there's nothing like it at all. Look at the height and everything. So it's probably the bloody same size. Look at that, same size that way. But anyway, it doesn't matter. It's still a nice little cute mould. Just not 1 kilo, that's all. There's the 8 there. I've just unboxed that one. So anyway, we got another 8. They're actually a nice size one for the hand. They're probably perfect for a polished copper bar. Anyway, we'll put these back. These are all my graphite moulds. There. So we'll put them there like that. So they're not cheap. Those 8 cost me $10 each. $80. Can't bloody see, can you? Here we go. I've got the light on now. So those 8 cost me. There's $80 there. I've got 5 of those 1 kilo ones. I've got all them. There's my lead. There's my crucibles. There's all my dross. And there's all my copper. There's all my aluminium. We've got tin. That's tin, that's tin. That's zinc. That's tin. That is bronze. That's bronze. Look at that. We've got brass. We've got Nordic gold. Oh, that's bronze, sorry. I think the Nordic gold's over here. That's Nordic gold. There's the aluminium. There you go. Alright guys, make sure you subscribe, and our recipe will be melting soon. Cheers guys.